Before we start this question, let's just review what translations are, function shifts. Let's say you have y equals x squared, which is your regular parabola centered at the origin. To that y equals x squared, you can either make it y equals x squared plus 4, so you're adding on the outside, or y equals x plus 4 squared, you're adding on the inside. If you add to the outside of a function, that's a vertical shift. And vertical shifts are normal. In other words, positive is up and negative is down. So this would just be up by 4. So now that parabola that I just drew would be shifted up 4. If you add to the inside of a function, that's a horizontal shift. And horizontal shifts are not normal. They're backwards. So normally on the x and y axis, positive is to the right and negative is to the left. But here, because it's backwards, positive will be to the left. So our regular parabola that was centered at the origin, now we're going to move it left by 4. So this x value is -4 right there. And so if we want to move a function up by 4, we really, if we understand this, we really should just be adding 4 to the outside of it. So we're going to take the function they gave us, and in order to make it g of x, we need to add 4 on the outside. So g of x is the same function we had before, and we're simply adding 4 on the outside of it. Now the question is asking us, what's g of 0? That means you take the g of x function and you plug in x is 0. So we're going to say 0 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 6, plus 4. And that's going to give us -6, -2, 6. Still has plus 4 there. So -6 times -2, that's positive 12, times 6 is 72. And then we're going to add 4 there, and we'll get 76.